Today, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube on your Windows 11 PC and use it just like a real app. This makes YouTube faster to open, distraction-free, and easily accessible from your Start menu or taskbar. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. Now go to youtube.com. Make sure the website is fully loaded, and if you want, sign into your account. Method 1. This is the quickest way. Look at the address bar at the top. If you see an install icon, just click it, then click Install. That's it. YouTube will instantly open as an app. Now, method 2, in case you don't see the install icon. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the browser. Go to Cast, Save, and Share. Here, click Install YouTube, and then press Install. Within seconds, YouTube will open in its own window like a native Windows app. You can now find YouTube in your Start menu, pin it to your taskbar, and use it just like any other app on Windows 11. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more simple Windows tips like this.